Ladies and gentlemen of the media, good afternoon. My apology for my late arrival. I'm sorry to keep you waiting. I wanted to address the media this afternoon about the incident that happened at the Central Police Station at Totong earlier today. The suspect, a 33-year-old self-employed male, threw a lead bottle filled with flammable liquid into the charge room at the Central Police Station. And in his attempt to throw another bottle, he was apprehended by the police. The suspect is currently admitted to the Colonial War Memorial Hospital, receiving treatment for burns. He remains under police guard, and upon his recovery, he will be taken back into custody. Firstly, we wish to emphasize that this incident is an isolated one. We urge the public to remain calm and confident in our commitment to maintaining peace and security. The alleged attempt to attack a key security facility represents not only a direct threat to our security forces, but also to the peace and security that we all hold dear in our nation. The Criminal Investigation Department is leading the investigation into this incident, and we pledge to keep the public informed as further developments arise. Our utmost priority is the safety and security of all of our people. We commend the quick response and the vigilance of our police officers who managed to apprehend the suspect swiftly and prevented what could have been a much more worse situation. The area surrounding the Totong Police Station was promptly cordoned off to ensure the safety of the general public and to allow for a thorough police investigation. Such acts of violence and attempts to disrupt the peace have no place in our society. We remain steadfast in our commitment to ensuring that Fiji remains a safe and security haven for all of its citizens and all of our residents and our visitors. Our security forces are always on alert, and we will not allow the actions of one individual to intimidate or deter us from our duty to looking after the safety and the security of our people. We urge everyone to remain calm and trust in the systems and processes we have in place. We also ask that everyone refrains from speculating or spreading unverified information which might lead to unnecessary panic or misinformation. Together, as one united nation, we shall overcome such challenges and continue to strive for a prosperous, secure, and harmonious Fiji. Thank you.